Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how you can install the Armbian Imager to Windows operating system. Now after installing the Armbian Imager to the Windows operating system, in this video we are going to cover that how you can flash Armbian operating system using Armbian Imager to your Orange Pi 02W single board computer. Now here I have the Orange Pi 02W single board computer with 3D printed case. Okay, and we are going to use the Armbian Imager to flash the operating system for this Orange Pi 02W. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my SD card with my system. Okay, and we will open the Armbian Imager here, and in the brand we will select Orange Pi. Okay, and in the board we will select Orange Pi 02W. Here you can see Orange Pi 02W. In the operating system I'm going to select the Armbian version 26.2.0 trunk.385 Noble XFCE desktop Linux. Okay, it will have the desktop environment. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, and it's a Ubuntu base, and this one is the Debian base. I'm going with the Ubuntu base operating system, so we will select this. We will select on confirm, and then in the storage I'm going to select my micro SD card, which is having size of 59.5 GB, and then we will click on erase and flash. Now the image is not available in my local system, so that's why it will download the image first. After downloading the image, it will flash the image to the micro SD card, and then we can use that micro SD card with our Orange Pi 02W. So now let's wait for a few minutes until this entire process is done. So finally, our operating system has been flashed to the SD card, and it's ready to go inside our Orange Pi 02W. Now we will press on done, and I'm going to remove the adapter from my system. Okay, and here is the camera. So we have successfully placed SD card in our Orange Pi 02W. Now I'll make a few connection. Okay, so we have connected this HDMI cable, and using this video capture card, I have connected this video capture card to my system. Okay, and we will now power on our Orange Pi 02W, and here you can see LED is on. Now what I'm going to do is I will use the Common Studio software, and here instead of this phone I'm going to use the capture device, okay, to get the feed. And here you can see Armbian operating system is loading from our Orange Pi 02W. Now we have to wait for a few seconds until it boots up. Okay, and then it will ask for few details like username, user password, Wi-Fi connectivity and everything. So we have to provide it using our Bluetooth keyboard. Okay, here you can see I have this Bluetooth keyboard available, and the dongle is connected here. Okay, here you can see Orange Pi 02W login, root, auto login. Okay, now we have not configured the Wi-Fi, that's why we will not get any IP address here. Now here it is asking create a root password, so I'll turn on my keyboard and then we will type the password. Okay, now which type of system command shell you want, bash or zsh? So I'm going with the bash, and then please provide a username, so I'll provide parrot, and here is the password for parrot, and real name parrot, that is fine. And connect to wireless network, yes, we want to connect, and it will show the available Wi-Fi network across the Orange Pi 02W. So I'm going with my 5G Wi-Fi network, as the Orange Pi 02W supports the 5G Wi-Fi networks. Okay, so I'll select the SSID number 5 and it will ask for the password. Okay, we have provided the password. Now probing wireless link, so it is trying to connect with our Wi-Fi. Okay, connection is successful. Now set user language based on your location. I'm not going to do that now. And if you see this option, then you have to press 338 to skip generating locals. Okay, now here you can see the message starting desktop environment. So now it will go to the desktop environment, which is XFCE desktop, which we have selected in the Armbian Imager. Okay, here you can see Armbian operating system. Okay, universal operating system. Now the bigger mouse is my local system mouse, and the smaller one is inside our Orange Pi 02W. Okay, here you can see the menu. You can open the terminal, you can check the free memory, free RAM, everything. Okay, CPU details, ls CPU. To check the CPU details, you can check the instance core, everything. Okay, you can see core 4. Okay, total 4 CPU. Okay, ARM Cortex A53. Now let's check the free RAM, free-h. So I have the Orange Pi 02W with 2 GB of RAM variant, and 1.4 GB is available, and 709 MB is free. Now let's check the storage, df-h. So total 53 GB is available to use from my SD card. So I hope it is clear that how you can use Armbian Imager to flash operating system to your Orange Pi 02W, and we are already connected with the Wi-Fi, so you can install, you can upgrade the system, and you can run whatever software or programs you want to run inside your Orange Pi 02W. Now let me give you the brief about the connection. So it's a very simple connection. We have just connected this HDMI cable with our system using this HDMI video capture card. Okay, it is available everywhere, so don't have to worry about it. And I have 3D printed this Orange Pi 02W case for the SPC and the expansion board. If you need this, then I'll provide the link in the description of this video, so you can directly purchase from there. And this is the power cable, okay, USB-C to power on our Orange Pi 02W. And here is our 64 GB of micro SD card, okay, in which we have flashed the Armbian operating system. And here is our USB dongle for our Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. So I hope it's clear that how you can use the Armbian Imager to flash operating system to this Orange Pi 02W single board computer. Now if you want the complete training index, then it is available on our GitHub repository. I will also provide the link of this GitHub repository in the description of this video. So we have covered the number 8 in the getting started guide. Okay, step-by-step guide on how to flash Armbian OS to Orange Pi 02W with the Armbian Imager. We'll also cover more regarding Arch OS, Kali Linux and everything with the Orange Pi 02W. So stay tuned for the future videos. Okay, till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.